Here are some of the portraits that I drew, and I put them together into pop-up pages. And I want to show you before I make it into an album or a portfolio. This album only consists of a few of my portrait drawings because I virtually practice drawing every day, especially during COVID. The cover is a portrait of myself, and I drew this after I made the prints of other photos. And I don't want to just print this one out, so I just put the original here and put some tape on it to protect it. I used this pack of paper, which I bought many years ago, and because they are in black and white, so are most of the portraits or the photos. So I want to make the whole album or portfolio black and white. So I came up with the idea of embellishing it with some musical notes, music sheets. I didn't bind the whole album yet because I want to show individual pages more clearly. It would be easier for me to show you to the back and when I turn it. By the way, this is the last phrase of "Those Were the Days." Sometimes I'll set a limit for myself. For example, this one, it took me a total of 10 minutes only. For this one, I finished it within 5 minutes. For this one, it took me 5 minutes to finish it. these two are not portraits, but sculptures. I'll show you individual mechanisms in separate videos. And I'll show you the end product after I bind the whole album. So that's about it of my sharing today. Thanks for watching. Bye.